lava.
Sonny, you're ruining it.
All over it. But then a big shaking happens everywhere, and
Right, mate.
it won't work.
It might work. I'm not too
We
sure.
have a backup plan if it does.
Go, Sag.
Do we? Sag
Yes,
go.
I do.
Is there enough, Sag?
Why is it powder?
This.
Oh.
What's wrong?
Give it more.
It's a bit the whole.
He's thinking about going. He needs a bit more. Go on.
Rubbish.
Tip the whole of the
Come on, it's coming, Sag.
Yes! Yes!
Right, who wants to see the backup plan?
What can all this white stuff be on the top?
Oh yes.
It's a bit snow.
Baking
No,
powder.
it could be like our Mount Everest.
That's amazing.
Pyroclastic flows.
Well, not quite pyroclastic. Pyroclastic is a bit more exciting.
That's
but
amazing.
Good start.
What's the
Volcano is actually scientifically correct in that all the others are using baking soda and vinegar or Mentos and Coke or something, and their reactions, and there's no reaction. Volcano. We'd like to put that first.
Adam.
And also, I almost exclusively did this with some help from Will.
Ah no,
Will,
I didn't do that.
What is going on?
we're trying to fill it.
Why don't you just pour it into it?
It's not very good, is it?
Yeah, good point.
Why are you using it?
No, Sag.
I think I was just going to wait for him to fill it.
To not use a reaction.
That didn't work. Pull it out. So it's aimed at you.
Why didn't you just? Can someone hold this?
No.
What's been up there, Will?
Sure, just throw it on the ground. Show it.
Building the suspense. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's the
That's what we like.
This is the magma chamber filling.
Hold on. No chatting.
This is the
Anyone
magma
want to make a
chamber
little speech about this one?
Yes.
I've already made a bit of a speech, sir. I've already made a bit of a speech.
This is a.
I've already made a bit of a speech.
Will, go on.
You know the speechness of. That's it. Alright, so you might want to move a bit, you know, just everyone come around back here. Tomato soup. So you don't, just, yeah, you don't want to be in the way of this.
Sick in a flask. Really hard.
That's disgusting, James.
That was.
It's that stuff. That is disgusting. Adam.
I didn't buy it. I would have
Sir?
Yeah, thing is, we don't have enough. No, we're not doing another.
Come on,
It's fine.
One more whole thing.
3 ounces from that.
No, it can go from there. No.
Powder.
Should have just done more.
Off you go, Ben. Off you go.
There's a spoon there.
Yeah, spoon.
That's quite a bit. Right, take a step back, please. I know it's not going to explode. Just so everyone can see.
Oh, it's everywhere.
Nothing's gonna happen.
Oh, another pump system. Oh, that is brilliant. That's a treat, that one. Oh, wow. Oh, brilliant.
Refill it.
That's really well done. Well, we could do another one of that at least.
Yeah.
So let's leave that one for a moment. Who's that group? Step back. Everyone up against the wall. Even Connor, I think.
Get ready for
No, you put the Mentos in, then close it, then check.
But it's already exploding.
Careful.
It doesn't work.
Well done,
Hey, don't do the Mentos because you know that doesn't work. Take a step back.
Go on, Jimbo.
Gonna get loads.
Mentos.
Sir, can I eat the Mentos?
Hey, Sam, move back.
Do you reckon I could drink some? Move, lads!
Yeah, buddy.
What's up?
I'll do.
Put more in.
You have to keep this up afterwards.
Doesn't work
Again.
again.
Wait,
Wait, you want me to do our other one?
Right, let's have.
I'll get rid of this, don't worry, I'll move it, don't worry. Move, do this one now.
What do you mean?
Hey, hold on. Don't do it. Don't do it. Right, everyone else.
Oh, Jimbo,
Okay, you can say. Right, fellas, everyone else, we can talk. Sam, you can stay here, Sonny, over there.
I'm filming it, so look, I'm filming it.
Sonny, go away.
We couldn't actually
Right,
get
fellas,
it
rest
in.
of you. Hey. Can you make sure you can see? No, Mark. Over here, please.
Have you seen what it says?
Go away. Hold it. Go away, come on.
You've missed the good one.
Go away, you tell me. So make them go away.
Matt, you missed the good
Yeah, guys, if you've got good lessons, there's no excuse for you not to be in a lesson.
Vinny, go away. Vinny, you
No, right.
Sonny gets
Everyone take a step back. Everyone take a step, including cameramen. Sonny.
Wait.
Sam, get really close.
Oh,
Get it again.
Laxan! Keep it in.
Oh no.
4 inch. Go get in and Whoa, that is something else, that is.
I like your big crater there. I like the crater.
It's going back inside.
No, it might come back in a second.
Fill it up. Laxan, more in.
Lauren, why is it gonna be the worst? Because it's got no colour.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Hey! What? The south flank exploded.
So we.
Yeah.
Good, well done, excellent.
James.
Looks like we're getting a bit of a lava flow coming out.
Best one ever.
Yeah,
Okay, wait, no,
going to the speed.
everyone take a step back. Wall again. Adam, careful, there's one behind. There's one right behind you.
Mountain is in this volcano is in the Solomon Islands near the near the Adams Park by a canal. It is surrounded by lots of fish. This one's a fish, poor fish. Look at that.
Okay, we'll take a little step back.
Just put all of it in.
All in?
Yo,
Slow burner.
who's in my group? Hold that.
All of it. No,
All of it. Wait, add it.
The whole thing.
That's a fail.
Oh, here we go. No, it's gonna go. Give it.
Step back.
Go on.
Stir it, man.
Use a spoon and stir it.
Put on his face, hopefully.
No, it's going. Stir it.
It's not gonna work. Stir it more.
No.
Yeah, stir it more.
That's like a proper
Stir it more.
Leave it.
Leave it. Oh, shut Tombo, yeah.
God, that looks foul.
That is hedge, boys. That's sick, man. That is sick, lad.
It's still going, look at it.
So I'd like to point out I'm signing
Oh, another one. Oh, slide. Oh, this is going to go crazy then, okay?
Go crazy.
Thomas, that won't work. Come on, you're going to be... Yes, there's a baby out.
Right, come on, you gotta get the lid off.
Sammy!
Take a step back.
Stamp on it.
No, wait, I'll get it.
Come on, take a step back. Come on, step back. Keep going.
Absolutely. By the way,
You're gonna get one
It needs to be
right.
warm and shaken up.
It's not even working. Get the Mentos again.
that was an absolute.
The volcano was so good as well.
Round the way.
Oh, no,
Back the way you look.
Step back.
It's going to do nothing.
Right, another one. Wall again then. No, Sonny, leave it now.